Hi, I'm Kelsey Balker, and this is a picture of me and my boyfriend G. So together we live in Fairbanks, Alaska, and I've lived here for about 16 years. I moved here originally because my dad was in the Army. I'm going on my third year at UAF. I am 21 years old, and I just declared my major in elementary education. So I'm taking this course because it is a requirement for that. But over the summer, I took an online course in anthropology with the same instructor. This is my puppy Harley. He is 2 years old, and I adopted him from the animal shelter when he was 8 months old. He is very energetic, very crazy, but he is very sweet and loves to cuddle. In the summer, I love to go hiking. I love to go to Denali, and I really like going on the middle picture that is in Wickersham Dome. And I love to travel and explore new places. I wish I could do it more, but these pictures are all from my Seward trip this summer, and we took a cruise ship. We saw whales, we saw sea lions, and it was really cool. So the roles in anthropology and native cultures, I think, is really important. It helps educate the public, and I think especially in Alaska that we need to learn about the native culture because we're surrounded by it. And I think we have a lot of people moving due to the army and going to school here that we're always having new people, and I think we should continue to teach about them. And like me, I've lived here for quite some time, and I think there's still tons that I should learn about the native culture. And I think anthropologists help protect the cultures because the world around us is always influencing them and they're adapting their ways and changing so much that I think it's important to record their history and preserve their artifacts, their language and traditions, so then the new generations can look back at what their ancestors went through and how they lived. And I think it's just important to see where a culture started out and see where they are now. um, I think it's also really cool how the natives are also getting involved in anthropology now because before they thought they were very disrespectful, the anthropologists, because they would just come in and kind of control and take what they wanted from the cultures, and they were kind of just respected the natives. So I think with the code of ethics and the rules set, anthropologists are actually good to be exposed in the culture and take information so they can share it with society so we can understand it a little better. And with the natives getting more involved, I think it helps the older generations realize that it's not always a bad thing to share their culture and their beliefs.